My name is I'm the marketing manager of Saeco Germany. Glad to welcome you here on my booth. This is our latest machine in the field of fully automatic coffee machines. It's a compact machine, it's very small, it fits into each and every kitchen, it's meant for single households, which incline more and more in every country. We have more people, young and old, who have a household on their own. This is very easy to use, just one button for a small cup, or another cup for a big cup. You can here choose between steam and water. It will be introduced in Germany in December, and it will cost €349.